In order to create favorable conditions for candidates of the 15th National Assembly contact with voters to state action program, at the same time to voters more understand the candidate. On that basis, the voters can vote candidates who are enough standards to become a National Assembly deputy. On May 5th, the standing of the Vietnam Fatherland Front Committee of Kentucky City, coordinate with Ninh Kiều District People's Committee, the Vietnam Fatherland Front Committee of Ninh Kiều District, to hold the National Assembly Candidates Conference on contact with voters for election mobilization. This constituency unit has 5 candidates: Prime Minister Phạm Minh Chính, Ms. Yu Thị Mỹ Hân, Head of the Inspecting Organizing Committee of Kentucky City Women's Union, Mr. Đào Chí Nghĩa, Secretary of Kentucky City Youth Union, Ms. Nguyễn Thị Kim Thoa, Executive Director of Abavina Production and Trade Justice Company, Phong Điền District, Kentucky City, Mr. Nguyễn Văn Thuận, Director of Kentucky City Public Security. The candidate said it is an honor but also a great responsibility to nominate candidates to the National Assembly as a candidate in general and Ninh Kiều District voters in particular, and vows to be consented to make full efforts to promote the abilities for and work experience to do well the role of the people's deputies. Voters expect that candidates, if they are elected to the 15th National Assembly deputies, will comply with their promises, uphold their responsibility as representatives of the people, criticize the basis of practical research. Voters also hope that the new issues arising from deadlines will be discussed by deputies at the National Assembly plenum to discuss and approve.